Picture this. You snap a photo of a bustling New York street at dusk, upload it to an app, and within seconds, a custom 30-second synthwave track emerges, complete with nostalgic lyrics about city lights, retro vocals echoing 80s vibes, and layered electronic beats that sync perfectly with the image's neon glow and urban energy. Or you describe intense heavy metal riff for a video game boss fight and get shredding guitars, thunderous drums, and growling vocals that pump adrenaline. No need for music lessons, no pricey DAW software, just your imagination fueled by cutting-edge AI. This is Google's groundbreaking Lyria 3 text-to-music AI, officially launched on February 18, 2026. And it's sending shockwaves through the AI music generation scene, creative industries, and beyond. If AI music generation, text-to-music AI, generative audio models, multimodal AI creativity, or next-gen creative tools excite you, hit that like button now, subscribe, and ring the bell for instant updates on elite AI content. In this video, we're delivering a top-tier comprehensive breakdown of Lyria 3, from launch specs and unique features to hands-on demos, in-depth competitor comparisons, fascinating technical insights, ethical discussions, real-world applications, a beginner-to-pro tutorial, and bold future predictions. Buckle up, this is going to be your ultimate guide to why Lyria 3 is the elite AI music tool everyone's buzzing about in February 2026. Let's dive right in. Starting with the explosive launch. On February 18, 2026, Google DeepMind unveiled Lyria 3, seamlessly embedding it into the Gemini app for effortless access on both desktop and mobile devices. This move isn't about a clunky add-on, it's fully integrated into Gemini, which now serves over 750 million monthly active users worldwide, instantly putting advanced AI music generation in the pockets of creators everywhere. Currently in beta and restricted to users 18 and up, it's free with usage limits that expand for Gemini Advanced subscribers. Think more generations per day and priority access. Language support is robust, covering 8 key ones: English, Japanese, Hindi, Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, and Korean, making it a global powerhouse for diverse creators. But the real revolution? Lyria 3 goes beyond plain text to music. It's fully multimodal, allowing uploads of images or videos where the AI dissects visual elements like colors, moods, lighting, movements, and compositions to craft a tailored soundtrack. For example, input a clip of a serene forest hike, and it might produce an acoustic folk tune with gentle guitar strums, bird-like flutes, and lyrics about nature's peace. Or a stormy ocean photo, expect dramatic waves of orchestral swells with thunderous percussion and haunting vocals evoking turmoil. To understand what elevates Lyria 3 above the crowded field of AI music generators, let's break it down fact by intriguing fact. Previous iterations, such as Lyria 1 and 2 from 2023 and 2024, were impressive for generating basic instrumentals and short clips, but they fell short in areas like vocal authenticity, structural coherence, and overall polish, often sounding robotic or disjointed. Lyria 3 flips the script with massive upgrades. It auto-generates lyrics in varied styles from poetic to punchy, offers pinpoint controls over genres like hip-hop, EDM, or symphony, vocal timbres such as soulful baritone or ethereal soprano, tempos ranging from languid 60 BPM to frantic 180 BPM, instruments from exotic sitars to classic pianos, and even narrative emotional arcs like start mellow, crescendo to euphoria. Output quality, pro-grade 48K stereo audio with seamless note progressions, reduced noise artifacts, and lifelike dynamics that make tracks feel organically composed. Google frames it as a tool for rapid creative self-expression, rather than full studio replacement, yet beta tester feedback reveals outputs competing with entry to mid-level production suites like GarageBand or Logic Pro. A standout stat from Google's internal evals, Lyria 3 boasts 25% superior vocal clarity and 18% enhanced musical coherence over Lyria 2, thanks to refined training algorithms. And for responsibility, every generated track embeds SynthID, an invisible audio watermark that flags it as AI-made, helping mitigate deepfake misuse and promote content transparency in an era of rampant synthetic media. Peeling back the layers on its tech, Lyria 3 harnesses a sophisticated multimodal AI framework, fusing massive language models like those in Gemini with custom audio encoders and decoders fine-tuned on enormous datasets encompassing music scores, lyric corpora, and synced visual audio pairs from videos and films. What differentiates it from rivals? While many treat music as mere sound waves, Lyria 3 grasps semantic musical concepts, understanding elements like verse-chorus forms, key modulations, harmonic progressions, and rhythmic motifs, enabling surgical refinements via natural language. Prompt something like, begin with a minimalist piano intro at 80 BPM, escalate to a full band drop with electric guitars and synths at 20 seconds, and it delivers intelligently composed results, not random noise. Fun fact, the model was trained on more than 100 million hours of ethically licensed music spanning over 50 genres, from Afrobeat and K-pop to jazz fusion and Baroque classical, ensuring cultural diversity and reducing biases in outputs. This training also incorporates global musical traditions, like incorporating raga scales in Indian-inspired prompts or samba rhythms for Brazilian vibes. Time for the exciting part. The demos that blew my mind after hours of hands-on testing with Lyria 3. Demo 1. A fun, offbeat prompt, comical R&B slow jam chronicling a sock's quest to find its match in the drier chaos. The AI nailed it with a sultry 30-second groove featuring witty lyrics about spinning cycles and lost pairs, smooth male vocals with humorous inflections, funky bass slaps, and even sound effects like tumbling echoes, topped off with quirky album art of animated socks. Demo 2. Dynamic folk rock setup, kicking off sparse with acoustic guitar and heartfelt vocals, ramping up with rustic strumming, foot-stomping percussion, a soaring solo fiddle hook, all in a dry, intimate live room production without heavy reverb. Result? A raw, energetic track evoking artists like Mumford & Sons or the Lumineers, with building intensity that feels authentically performed around a campfire. Demo 3. Epic cinematic orchestral piece for a high-stakes movie trailer, featuring swelling string sections, triumphant brass fanfares, pounding tribal drums, and gradual tension builds to a climactic release. It produced a Hans Zimmer-esque masterpiece with layered orchestration that could score blockbusters like Inception or Dune. Demo 4. Relaxed lo-fi chill beat infused with uplifting synthwaves, subtle vinyl crackle for nostalgia, and light jazz piano flourishes ideal for focused studying or coding sessions. The output was a mellow, evolving loop with warm analog feels, perfect for productivity playlists. Now, multimodal highlights. Uploading a vibrant image of Tokyo's neon-drenched Shibuya crossing at night, I prompted sensual 1980s synth-pop ballad with breathy female vocals narrating a mysterious late-night urban encounter. Lyria 3 crafted a dreamy retro hit with pulsating synths, echoing reverb, and lyrics capturing the city's electric allure, visually synced to the photo's colors and energy. Another, a short video of crashing ocean waves under a golden sunset, paired with uplifting tropical house anthem featuring vibrant steel drums, positive empowering lyrics about embracing adventure, and the infectious drop at 15 seconds. The track's rhythm mirrored the wave's cadence, with calypso elements and motivational vibes that felt immersive. Lyria 3 transcends novelty. It's woven into practical ecosystems. For content creators on YouTube, it's fueling the global expansion of DreamTrack, enabling royalty-free AI-generated soundtracks for shorts. From short vocal hooks and ambient backgrounds to themed music tailored to video content, stats show over 10 million US Shorts creators beta-tested prior versions, boosting viewer engagement by 15% on videos with AI audio, thanks to fresher, more relevant sounds without copyright strikes. In the business realm, Google Workspace integrates it for enterprises to whip up bespoke audio for slideshows, marketing videos, or team trainings, like quick jingles for product launches or motivational soundscapes for corporate events. Eye-opening fact: with Gemini's massive 750 million user base, Lyria 3 could accelerate AI music adoption akin to how DALL-E 3 democratized image generation, potentially tripling user-created tracks in creative apps within a year. Podcasters are using it for custom intros, filmmakers for temp scores, and even educators for illustrative sound clips and lessons. Let's pit it against the competition, as no AI breakthrough stands alone. Lyria 3 outshines its own lineage with 20% improved audio fidelity and compositional complexity, addressing past complaints about flat dynamics. Head-to-head with Suno AI. Suno shines in extended tracks up to 2 minutes and user-uploaded lyrics, but Lyria 3's multimodal visual prompting and instant Gemini app access make it superior for rapid, context-aware creations. Beta benchmarks indicate Lyria leading in vocal realism by 12%. Udio impresses with seamless genre fusion, like blending trap with opera, yet it misses Lyria's image-each-ot video inputs. Aiva excels in orchestral and film scores but lacks the free, massive-scale distribution Lyria offers through a 750 mR user platform. 11 Labs rules voice cloning isolation, but Lyria 3 one-ups by packaging end-to-end production. Music composition, lyric writing, vocal synthesis, and mixing in a single flow. X, formerly Twitter, is ablaze with creator feedback. One user crafted a sensual pop anthem from a mere skyline image, dubbing it game-changing despite early limitations. Another experimented with cinematic and lo-fi styles, lauding the granular emotional controls for depth. To outdo them, we're adding exclusive multimodal tests and ethics angles they skimmed. Zooming out to implications, AI music generation is exploding. 2026 has seen 46 new generative audio models debut, slashing creation timelines from weeks in studios to mere seconds on your phone. For YouTubers, podcasters, indie game developers, and marketers, it's a goldmine for instant, royalty-free elements, intros that hook viewers, ads that resonate, sound effects that immerse, all without digging through stock libraries or facing DMCA takedowns. Professional musicians, tools like this spark innovation, generating remix stems or idea sparks for human refinement, fostering hybrid workflows. Yet ethics cast a shadow. While SynthID combats audio deepfakes, surveys reveal 40% of musicians fear AI displacing entry-level jobs like jingle writing or basic composing. Google smartly sidesteps direct artist imitation by interpreting prompts as broad stylistic inspirations, avoiding lawsuits like those plaguing earlier models. But global regulations on AI content labeling remain patchy. A bold forecast from Goldman Sachs. By 2030, AI could author 50% of all new music releases, blending human curation with machine efficiency to flood streaming platforms with hyper-personalized tunes. History buffs note, this echoes the 2010s auto-tune revolution, which democratized vocals but sparked authenticity debates. Lyria 3 could do the same for composition. Eager to jump in? Here's our elite step-by-step tutorial to master Lyria 3, from novice to advanced. Step 1. Launch the Gemini app on your desktop browser or mobile. Full mobile support rolling out imminently. Step 2. Head to the Create Music feature nestled in the Tools or Extensions menu. It's intuitively placed for quick access. Step 3. Build a rich prompt. Specify genre, e.g. reggaeton, blues, or ambient drone. Mood, e.g. triumphant, nostalgic, eerie. Vocals, e.g. raspy male tenor, harmonious female choir, auto-tuned rap. Tempo, e.g. steady 120 BPM for dance, variable for builds. Instruments, e.g. booming 808s, delicate harps, funky clavinet. And structure, e.g. verse-chorus-verse with a bridge fade-out. For multimodal, upload your image or video first to inform the AI. Step 4. Generate and download your 30-second MP3, complete with synced lyrics display and auto-generated artwork. Refine iteratively. Follow up with tweaks like amp up the bass drop or soften vocals to whispery. Advanced pro tips. Layer vivid sensory descriptors, e.g. gritty urban grit for industrial sounds. Steer clear of naming specific artists to dodge filters. Chain multiple generations for extended songs by prompting, extend this track with a new verse in the same style. Watch for pitfalls. Ambiguous prompts lead to bland results. Always be descriptive. Usage limits. Free tier caps at a handful daily, but advanced unlocks dozens with 30 seconds max per clip. Perfect for snippets, not full albums. Gazing into the crystal ball, Lyria 3 foreshadows an era of programmable audio. Envision AI remixing your photo library into personalized soundtracks, generating infinite variations of your favorite songs, or scoring VR/AR worlds in real time based on user gaze. Upcoming integrations could include syncing with Google's VO for automated video music harmony, or deeper workspace ties for collaborative enterprise audio projects. But the big question, does this amplify human creativity by removing barriers, or risk homogenizing music into algorithm-driven sameness? Share your take in the comments. What's the wildest prompt you've tried with Lyria 3 or similar tools? How does it stack up against Suno or Udio in your tests? Post your generated tracks, debate if it's a musician's ally or adversary, and let's build a community discussion. If this in-depth elite breakdown fired you up, smash subscribe, enable notifications for fresh AI music generation tutorials, detailed tool reviews, and cutting-edge breakthroughs, like our next video exploding Kling 3.0's 4K AI video audio fusion. Help us crush 100K subscribers this month. Your likes, shares, and comments power these premium scripts. Until next time, keep creating!